Hi everyone, welcome to Essential Excel Skills on a Time Budget using the SUM function. My name is Jaleesa Doney and I'm the Social Sciences Librarian at the University of Idaho Library. Microsoft Excel provides a variety of predefined formulas, also called functions, that you can use to work with your data. All of Excel's functions are available within the Formulas tab. Functions are available in different categories, including math and trigonometry, date and time, text, logical, as well as financial. Let's say we want to add the values in cells F2 and G2 together using the SUM function. To do this, click the cell where you want to insert the function, in this case, cell H2. Then type $SUM, S-U-M, and add a parenthesis. Next, either type or click to highlight the two cells that you want to include within the SUM function, so F2 and G2. Then add another parenthesis and hit Enter on your keyboard to sum those values together. We could then use AutoFill to add the SUM function to all of the rows that we want totaled in column H. To do this, click the cell that has the original SUM formula and hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the plus sign, which is called the fill handle. If you don't see the fill handle, it might be hidden. To display it, navigate to File, Options, and Advanced. Then navigate to the Editing Options section and make sure to check the box for Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop. Then click OK. Once we see the fill handle, we can long click and drag this new box to the last row where we want the SUM function to appear. Then unclick. We can then click into any cell in column H to check the function. So cell H68 includes the sum of cells F68 and G68. Thank you for watching using the SUM function. Be sure to check out our other Essential Excel Skills videos.